Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show how to withdraw dollar to cryptocurrency in Skrill. So here we are at the home screen and here's your crypto portfolio. If you want to see that, you can buy and sell. But for now, let's just try to actually deposit or withdraw dollars to crypto. So you click on a currency like Bitcoin right here and you see the many currencies you can withdraw it to. So you, for example, Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, you can see the network and you have to fill in the crypto address. For now it's in euros for me, but you can also do it with dollars. So the minimum amount you can withdraw your money, your dollars to a crypto is $20. So that's the bare minimum. And here you can see how you can add money and add it to your crypto portfolio if you want, or just add it to your, for example, Binance or another exchange. So that's it. Thank you for watching.